to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, kindly hit that subscribe button and subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. Thank you for supporting my channel. I am so grateful. Today we're making a weight gain smoothie. A smoothie that will help you clear dark spots, clear acne. Also, you would add weight in 5 days and you will whiten or brighten your skin. So subscribe, like, comment and share. Give this video a thumbs up. It's now ready. Whatever you'll be using to make the smoothie. Now let's blend everything together. Oats, remember they are pre-soaked. This is the carrot juice. Peanut butter. 1 tablespoon. Just need 2 tablespoons. So guys, we are done with the whole process. We have made our smoothie. So this I'm gonna store in the fridge for about 3 days, and then I'll be drinking this glass every day, either in the morning or at night. It's okay. During the day it's still fine. Make sure you have this without any sugar. Do not add sugar. Please use honey. You can only use honey, but do not add any extra sugar because it will overpower the taste of the smoothie. So yeah, that's it. So guys, subscribe, like, comment and share. Like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to watch the ads. Yeah, and cheers. Enjoy.